What's up everybody, my name is Bobby and today I got a video for you that I'm extremely excited about. So without further ado, let's just jump on into it. Boom. So today I'm going to be giving you guys my unboxing of the 2021 MacBook Pro, or MacBook M1 Pro I should say. And I went and picked this guy up from the Apple Store today. I'm a super impulsive person. I was trying to wait for the right moment to pick up my computer, and I literally just woke up today and I was like, yep, today's the day. So finally tracked one down, headed down to the Apple Store. I made a vlog of that whole experience, so if you're interested in that, that will also be on this channel, so you can go ahead and click on that. But as far as the model that I got the 16 gigabyte of memory and 512 hard drive. This is the base model of the new MacBook Pros, and I got it in space gray. As far as what I'm doing, the most strenuous thing I do with my computer is Final Cut Pro editing and like Photoshop and Lightroom and that kind of thing. So, I mean, an M1 Pro will be more than enough. And considering I was doing all that stuff very well on my 2017 MacBook Pro, which was like the base model MacBook Pro back then, I think this is gonna absolutely destroy every single task that I'm doing. I think this will be more than enough. So, to kind of crack into it, we have the classic Apple pull tab. Fun fact, this is actually the first computer from Apple that I've gotten from the actual Apple Store, which is kind of weird considering I used to work at an Apple Store for a while, and I've had a bunch of different Apple computers. But this is the first one I got from Apple themselves. My first one, I got like a refurbished iMac, and then I got another refurbished iMac when I was like way younger. Those videos are actually still on this YouTube channel. They're from like over 10 years ago, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, and then I ended up getting a MacBook for college. I don't remember where I got that one actually, but I know it wasn't the Apple Store. And then I got my last MacBook from Best Buy because that's where I was working at the time. And then this one, I got to pick it up from the Apple Store. So enough rambling. I know you guys didn't come here for my stories. So as far as the box, this is actually a super thick box. That was actually kind of surprising. And then there we have the pull tab. It's kind of weird. It's like a different color actually, like, or a different translucentness. Is that a word? Probably not. But it's a different like look in the center, so you can actually see the Apple logo. Before we crack into the actual computer itself, we actually have the new MagSafe cable. So this is going to be a braided MagSafe cable, which is going to let you do fast charging, which is pretty sweet. I'm really happy they brought this feature back. And then we have our pamphlet with, there should be some Apple stickers, I believe. Yep, black Apple stickers, which is pretty sweet as well. I don't know what it is. I'm such a dork about Apple stickers that like the more exclusive ones, like when I worked at Best Buy, I used to, every time they would set up like a new Mac or something, like one of the display ones, I would ask like our Apple specialist if I could have the colored stickers that went with that computer, because I just know that they're like, I don't know, they only do certain colors for certain products. Really dorky thing that only someone who's like a really big Apple nerd would probably even give a shit about. But anyway, and then here is the new power brick. For this model, let me see what the watts are. Yeah, this is a 67 watt USB-C charger that this guy will plug into. Also really happy the cable's braided too. I don't know if I mentioned that, but anyway. So I'll put this stuff to the side, and then we'll crack into the main event. So it's got this like paper wrapping. Wow. That is beautiful. It has MacBook Pro on the bottom, and as everybody says when they first hold it, it's very cold to the touch, which I can definitely confirm. It's actually like a little lighter than I was expecting. And then there's the Apple logo, super glossy. Got the port selection. There's the SD card slot. Glad that is back. And then first time cracking her open. Boom. And there she goes, off to the races. So I'm going to go ahead and get this guy set up. I'm going to do probably a bunch of different videos on it, as if there's not enough already on YouTube, but I'm really excited to crack into it. Thank you guys for joining me with this unboxing. I'm really excited. Wow, that display looks good. This is my first time seeing the display, so that's pretty nuts. This is the first time I've ever gotten an Apple product that I never really got to play around with ahead of getting it. So all of this is going to be new to me. I'm excited to check it out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.